I've always wanted to embellish a bowl by ebonizing it. So today, I have a white oak blank and some iron acetate, and I'm going to show you how you can embellish a bowl, make it more fancy, by ebonizing it. I'm Nick, and welcome to my shop. If you're new here, I'm a wood turner. I make things rounder and smaller on the lathe. And as a wood turner, I turn a lot of bowls. And sometimes I want to make them a little more fancy, embellish them. And what I'm going to be doing today is ebonizing a bowl. The idea that I have is have the outside to be black and the inside to be the natural wood color. That's going to provide a lot of contrast, and I think it's going to turn out really beautiful. Anyway, let's get going and see how it works. So first things first, I need a bowl to embellish. Right now I just have this blank that is 10 inches in diameter and it's white oak. So I'm going to quickly turn that into a bowl. And to do that, I'm just going to use a worm screw to hold it on. And then I'm going to bring my tailstock up for support. There we go. I really love this white oak that I have. The end grain's really cool, but it has a lot of these rays. Just make it absolutely gorgeous piece of wood. So I'm excited to see how this turns out. Okay. Whoop, well that sucks. There we go. We have what has to be the worst bowl ever because it is not useful, but the outside looks gorgeous. So I now have a beautiful finished oak bowl. It's pretty basic, well, amazing grain pattern, but still pretty basic. So I'm gonna ebonize the outside here, but I know it's gonna bleed, so I'm gonna cut a line to get a crisp edge, and I'll do that on the lathe. So when you ebonize, it's liquid, so it's gonna soak in and then wick up the wood. And I also don't wanna go all the way to the rim. I wanna leave probably ½ inch, thinking about there. So I'm gonna cut a groove in it, and ebonize just the bottom part. There we go. That looks really good. Just gotta wait for that to dry. Yeah, that did bleed over a little bit, but I'll just have to recut that edge. Okay, let's clean up this edge where I had a little bit of bleed over. And for the finish, I'm just going to use a high gloss spray lacquer. Oh man, this bowl turned out fantastic. I really love the contrast in this thing. It really helps draw the eye. And I've turned a lot of just basic bowls, nothing that was really embellished like this. So I was really happy to try a new technique. And along those lines, I hope you've learned something here. I hope you can try this to your own woodworking, whether it's flat work or wood turning, to really make something special. Anyway, thanks for watching and have fun.